to use object pronouns together. So if our original sentence is, again, I send the letter to David. In English, we have I send the letter to David becomes I send it to him, okay? It being our direct object pronoun, and to him is our indirect object pronoun in English. So I send him it. I send him it. Okay, I send it to him or I send him it. Sounds kind of funny to say that, but it's, we could say it that way. In Italian, we have io mando la lettera a Davide is our original sentence. Io. Okay, again, you don't really need the io, but I'm putting it in here for clarity's sake, just to explain here that this is the same. So io la mando a lui. Okay, so la lettera gets replaced by la. Why? Because it's feminine, singular, third person. Okay, so la mando a lui. Or you can say gliela mando. Okay, gliela mando. So we've combined lie and la to form gliela, and we put it before the conjugated verb, okay, mando, because there's no infinitive in this case, in the sentence. So gliela mando, okay? Okay, you'll get it. If you haven't gotten it up to this point, just keep working at it, and it will eventually make sense, okay?